I'm Swie Goping. I'm in the Department of Biochemistry in the Faculty of Medicine and Dentistry at the University of Alberta. Breast cancer is a major clinical problem. In women in Canada, according to the Canadian Cancer Society, 1 in 9 women in their lifetime will develop breast cancer. So the proposed research project deals with trying to come up with a diagnostic kit or find a way to identify patients that can respond to a chemotherapeutic drug. So at the moment, breast cancer patients are prescribed chemotherapy, and in particular one which is widely used is taxane chemotherapy. But there's no way now that we can determine what patient will do well, and chemotherapeutic resistance is a major clinical problem with, up to 50% of patients showing resistance. So the main people that will benefit will be people that have breast cancer and people that will potentially take taxane chemotherapy. Half of those people potentially won't respond well to the drug. So we want to be able to pick the winners to spare patients that will not respond well from the toxic side effects, because there's a lot of toxic side effects when you talk about chemotherapy. We get to interact with specialized clinicians that tell us what the next step is and help us. And so as a team, growing that team and building that team has been very rewarding. Dr. John Mackey, who's a clinical oncologist, he has a lot of experience in biomarker identification, taxane treatment. He runs clinical trials, so he has a lot of insight in that area where we're, as a basic research lab in biochemistry, we need that strength. Dr. Judith Hugh is a pathologist, and she's a clinical pathologist, specifically on breast cancer. She holds a very strong research group as well, and she helps so much with the statistical analysis, with understanding the biology, understanding the clinical aspects. And Dr. Todd McMullen as well, he's a surgeon in oncology, and he's very helpful in looking for signaling pathways as well as access to tissue, where we need to be able to get lots of tissue to validate and see if we have a robust marker. We believe that there's something in here. Everything is a risk, right? So a lot of times you'll have a hypothesis and it's wrong, and that's fine, and that's just the nature of how science works. There's something here that I think could be very important and very interesting, and so we needed to find the funds to do that. It's very expensive to do these kinds of studies. It's very expensive to get the material. So we applied for the money to try to bring this project to the next level. My hope for this particular question is that we can find a tool that can help us personalize the medicine to enhance efficacy and to save suffering. We need to do lots and lots of studies worldwide in order to find the golden egg.